Welcome students. In this video I'll be talking about the FOIL method. The FOIL method is a technique used to multiply two binomials. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last, which refers to the order in which you multiply the terms. So we're going to work with 5 examples today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate you. So the first example we're going to work out is going to be x plus 3 times x plus 5. Okay, so we're gonna multiply the first, which is x times x, so that's gonna be equal to x squared. Now we're gonna multiply x times 5, that's gonna be the out, which is gonna be 5x plus 5x. Now we're gonna multiply 3 times x, which is the inner, which will give us 3x, and now multiply the outer, which is 3 times 5, which is 15. Now we're going to collect terms. So x squared, there is no other square, so we're gonna just keep that one, and then we can add we can add 5x plus 3x. That's gonna give us 8x plus 15. So that would be our answer. In example number 2, we're going to do 2x minus 4 times x plus 3. Again, we're gonna do first, so that will be 2x times x, so that's equal to 2x squared. Now we're gonna do the outer, so that's gonna be 2 times 2x times 3, that's gonna be 2 times 3, it's gonna be 6 times 6x. Now we're gonna do the inner, which is negative 4 times x, that's gonna be negative 4x. And now the last, which is negative 4 times 3, that's gonna be negative 12. Now we can combine like terms. So we're gonna do 2x squared, and we can combine 6x minus 4x. That's gonna give us 2x, then minus 12, and that will be our answer. Now let's do example number 3. Example number 3 says that 3x plus 2 and then x minus 7. Okay, so we're gonna do first, which is 3x times x, that's gonna be equal to 3x squared. Now we're gonna do 3x times minus 7, that's gonna give you negative 21x. Now we're gonna do inner, which is 2 times x, which is plus 2x. Now the last, which is 2 times negative 7, that's gonna be negative 14. Now we're gonna combine like terms, which is gonna be equal to 3x squared. Now negative 21x plus 2x, that's gonna give us negative 19x minus 14. Now we're going to do exercise number 4. He says that x minus 1 times x plus 6. So that's going to be equal to, so we're going to do first, which is x times x, that's x squared. Now we're going to do out, which is x times 6, that's plus 6x. And now we're going to do inner, which is negative 1 times x, that's minus x. And then last, which is negative 1 times 6, which is negative 6. And that we can combine like terms, so x squared plus 5x minus 6. Now we're going to do exercise number 5. He says that 4x plus 5 times x minus 2. So now we're going to do first, which is 4x times x, that's equal to 4x squared. Now we're going to do out, which is 4x times negative 2, that's going to be equal to negative 8x. Now we're going to do inner, which is 5 times x, that's plus 5x. And now last, which is 5 times negative 2, that's going to be equal to negative 10. And the last step is to combine like terms, so 4x squared. Now we can combine negative ax plus 5x, so that's going to give us negative 3x and then negative 10. And that will be our answer, final answer. If you have any questions about FOIL method, please comment, provide me with a comment, and I'll try to answer if as best as I can. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.